So today we are going to start revision of chapter number 12, Heron's formula. Only एक ही revision है ये. So let us start with the introduction part. Heron was born in Alexandria in Egypt in AD 10. He worked on applied mathematics and wrote 3 books on mensuration. One of his books deals with the areas of squares, rectangles, triangles, trapezia, regular polygons, circles, and surface of cylinders, cones, and spheres, etc. He derived the famous Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle. And the formula given by Heron about the area of triangle is also known as Heron's formula, and it is stated that it is given by this formula: area of triangle is equals to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of triangle and s is the semi perimeter. So perimeter a plus b plus c होता है, sum of all sides. So semi perimeter half of a plus b plus c होगा. So a plus b plus c by 2. So this is the formula of Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. So now we are moving towards one example. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is given 32 centimeter. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले थर्ड साइड निकालेंगे. So इसको मैं A ले रहा हूँ. Okay, A, B. So how will you find C? Perimeter is given, the sum of all 3 sides, that is a plus b plus c is given. So c will be 32 minus the sum of these two, that is 8 plus 11, 18. Okay? So c will be 32 minus 18, so we'll get 13 centimeter. So 2s, perimeter is already given 32 centimeter. Perimeter is nothing but it is 2s, 2 into semi perimeter. So perimeter is given 32 centimeter. That means 2s is equals to 32. क्योंकि s semi perimeter है, 2 into s perimeter होगा. So what will be the value of s? 32 by 2. So we'll get 16 centimeter. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? अगर डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला में सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे तो कभी कभी मिस्टेक होता है. सो डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. सो s माइनस a पहले निकालते हैं. 16 माइनस 8 that is equals to 8 centimeter. S minus b, 16 minus 11, 5 centimeter. S minus c, 16 minus 3, 3 centimeter. Now we'll write the formula: root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we'll substitute the value: s 16, 8, 5, 3. Okay, so 16 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना होगा? 4. और इसमें से हम लोग 4 निकाल लेंगे, 2 हो जाएगा और एक 2 बचेगा अंडर रूट के साथ में. तो ये पूरा रूट के अंदर बचेगा और ये रूट के बाहर आ जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट? 8 इंटू रूट 30. कैलकुलेशन इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to start first exercise, first question. Now this is an important question. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal? So इसके दो पार्ट हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग को एरिया निकालना है, सेकेंड पार्ट में पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ एरिया निकालना है. सो दो क्वेश्चन है इसमें. सो नाउ ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बोर्ड इज इन द शेप ऑफ इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल. सो लेट triangle ABC be the signal board, and side of equilateral triangle is already given A units. So what will be the perimeter of this equilateral triangle? A plus A plus A. All three sides are equal. So 3A units. So S कितना हो जाएगा? 3A by 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now by Heron's formula, the area of triangle is s root over s into s minus a into s minus a into s minus a. ये b का और c का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए. सो नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ s, that is 3a by 2. So 3a by 2 means one half होता है. 3a/2 मीन्स 1/2, उसमें से एक निकाले तो बचेगा कितना, हाफ. 3a/2 माइनस है, अगर इफ यू टेक एलसीएम व्हाट यू विल गेट, 3a minus 2a/2 that is a/2. सो ये a/2, ये भी a/2 मिलेगा और ये भी a/2 मिलेगा. So we are getting this one. So how many a/2s are there? 4. ठीक है. So a/2 होल टू द पावर 4. अगर इसको हम लोग बाहर निकालेंगे स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर, so ये स्क्वायर हो जाएगा और √3 बचेगा. So finally formula what we are getting, √3/4 a square. This is the formula what we are using to calculate the area of equilateral triangle. Now the second part, the perimeter is given 180 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter means 3a. So we'll find the value of a first. So a is equals to 180 by 3. So this is equals to 60 centimeter. Now what will be the semi perimeter? इसका हाफ, 180 सेंटीमीटर का हाफ. So 2s is equals to 180 and s will be equals to 90 centimeter. Right? Now see, we can use this formula directly, √3/4. अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है, so you can use this formula directly into a square. So 60 into 60. So एक 60 हम लोग 4 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, 15. So what is 15 into 60? 900. So final answer will be 900√3 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अगर एग्जाम में पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है, एरिया ऑफ इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल निकालने के लिए बोला गया है, सो वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. अगर उसमें रेस्ट्रिक्शन ना हो, रेस्ट्रिक्शन मीन्स क्वेश्चन मान लो दिया हुआ है, if the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 180 centimeter, find the area by using Heron's formula. So अगर वैसा दिया तो अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ कैसे करना है. So by Heron's formula, area of triangle root over s into s minus a into s minus a into s minus a. So 90 into 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60. So 90 minus 60 is 30. So how many 30s are there? 1, 2, 3. इसमें भी एक 30 है, अगर हम लोग 3 निकालेंगे तो 3 into 30. So how many 30s are there? 4. उसमें से रूट के बाहर निकालेंगे तो 2 बाहर आएगा. So 30 into 30 into √3. So we'll get 900√3 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So
No,
now
sir.
we are moving towards question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean." See this figure. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So this is direct question only. So यहाँ पे जो sides दिया हुआ है 15, 11 and 6. So एक को हम लोग A ले लेंगे, B और C. So let A is equals to 15 meter, B is equals to 11 meter and C is equals to 6 meter. So what is the perimeter here? A plus B plus C. So we are getting 32, 26 plus 6, 32 centimeter. So what is semi-perimeter? S. 32 by 2?
16 meter.
That is 16 meter, right. So by Heron's formula, the area of triangular wall is equals to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So 16 into 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 6. So 16 minus 5, 15 होगा 1, यहाँ पे 5 मिलेगा और यहाँ पे 10 मिलेगा, right. So इसको हम लोग बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. What you will get? 4. और 10 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 5 into 2. ठीक है, एक मिनट, इसको फैक्टराइज कर लेते हैं. 16 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 4 into 4 और 10 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 5 into 2. तो पेयरिंग में 2 4 है और 2 5 है. सो हम लोग रूट के बाहर क्या क्या निकाल सकते हैं? एक 4 आएगा और एक 5 आएगा. So 4 into 5 √2. So final answer 20 √2 meter square. Hence, area painted in color is 20 root 2 meter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So next question, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and its perimeter is given. So this type of question we did in example. So we'll take first perimeter of triangle 42 centimeter. So 18 plus 10 plus third side. 18 plus 10 plus third side will be 42. So the sum of these two side is 28. 28 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, ऐड करके शिफ्ट करो या पहले शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. सो 42 minus 28 will be 14 centimeter and the perimeter is given 42. तो इसका हाफ कितना होगा सेमी पेरीमीटर?
21.
42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter, right? So now we are going to take A as 18, B as 10 and C as 14 centimeter. ठीक है? And now we are going to write the formula of Heron's area of triangle, that is root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So 21 into 21 minus 18 into 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. So 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखो 3 into 7 21 होता है, या 21 को फैक्टराइज कर दो 3 into 7. Now 2 7 and 2 3 are there, 2 7 and 2 3. So बाहर निकालेंगे तो कितना आएगा? एक 3 और एक 7 आएगा.
21.
So final answer is 21 root 11 centimeter square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next question.
No, sir.
Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is given 540 centimeter. Find its area. तो यहाँ पे साइड्स का रेशियो दिया हुआ है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? साइड्स को लेंगे 12x, 17x, 25x. Okay, and the sum of all these three sides is perimeter and it is given 540 centimeter. So we'll add all these three and we equate with 540. So 29, 25, 54x. So x का वैल्यू आ गया, कितना आएगा x? 10, right?
10.
Okay, so we'll take we'll find the value of side one by one. This will become 120, this will become 170 and this will become 250. ठीक है, एक को A ले लिए, दूसरे को B और थर्ड को C ले लिए. Now semi perimeter half of 540, right? That is 270 centimeter. Now we'll use the area of triangle formula. S root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we'll substitute the value of S and A, B, C. Okay, first is 270, 150, 100 and 20. 270 को फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं हम लोग. We can write 30 into 9. 30 into 9 मतलब 30 into 3 into 3, ये वाला 270. Similarly 150 को 30 into 5 और 100 को 10 into 10 और 20 को 2 into 2 into 5. See, we have 2 times, 5 2 times, 10 2 times, 3 2 times and 32 times. So सभी दो बार है तो हम लोग पेयरिंग करके एक बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. So we'll get 2 into 3 into 5 into 10 into 30. Okay, so 9000 centimeter square. Hence the area of required triangle is 9000 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. So equal sides means दो side दिया हुआ है 12 and 12. We need to find the third side. So how will you find the third side? By using perimeter. So perimeter is given 30 centimeter. That means 12 plus 12 plus third side is equals to 30. So 24 subtract करेंगे 30 से, so we'll get
6.
6, right? 6 centimeter third. So what is the semi-perimeter here?
15.
30 by 2, that is 15. Very good. So by Heron's formula, the area of triangle is given by this formula, root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, right? So 15 into, we'll take first one a, b, c. So 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. Okay, so सबको फैक्टराइज करते हैं 15 को छोड़कर, क्योंकि 15 में जो 3 और 5 है उसके लिए पेयर्स नहीं है. So only 2, 3 will come out. That is 9 root 15. So this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see one more question. Find the perimeter and area of triangle whose sides are of length 52 centimeter, 56 centimeter and 60 centimeter respectively. So एक को हम लोग A लेंगे, second को B and third को C, right? And perimeter is the sum of all these three sides, that is A plus B plus C. 52 plus 56 plus 60, so 168. So this is the perimeter. So what is semi-perimeter here?
84.
84. Very good. So A plus B plus C by 2 होता है, that is 168 by 2, 84 centimeter. Now Heron's formula is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Or we can substitute directly, or if you want you can calculate s minus a first. 84 minus 52, 32. S minus b, 84 minus 56, 28. S minus c, 84 minus 60, 24. This step is not mandatory. You can directly substitute in the formula and you can get it, this one. Okay, whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 84 into, we got this value 32, this value 28 and this value, the last one 24. So now we'll factorize. 84 we can write 14 into 6 and 32 we can write 16 into 2. This is 84, this is 32 and 28 we can write 14 into 2 and 24 we can write 6 into 4. So सभी दो दो बार है, देखो 14 भी 2 टाइम्स है, 6 भी 2 टाइम्स है एंड 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 होगा. और कौन सा बच गया? और 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 बचेगा. ठीक है, सो विल स्टार्ट 14 इंटू 6 इंटू 4 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now this is equals to 1344. So hence the area of given triangle is 1344 centimeter square. किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving towards exercise 12.2. 12.2 में जितने भी quadrilateral से related questions है वो deleted है. So only related with triangle, pure triangle. Quadrilateral जब deleted है बोल रहे हैं तो rhombus, parallelogram, all those questions are deleted. Okay, rhombus, parallelogram, square. So पिछले 5 questions पूरे quadrilateral से related है. So that is why I took question number 6 directly. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Each piece measure 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So first what we will do, we will calculate the area of one triangular piece. Okay, by taking A as 20, B as 50 and C as also 50. So perimeter first we'll calculate 120. Semi perimeter हो जाएगा 120 by 2, that is 60. Okay, now we'll use the Heron's formula to calculate the area of triangle. That is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now substitute the value of s, a, b, c. So we'll get 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50 whole root. So 60 into 40 into 10 into 10 we are getting. Okay, so अभी इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 6 into 10, इसको लिख सकते हैं 4 into 10 और इसको 10 into 10 ही रखो. So what we can do, और थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. एक मिनट, यहाँ पे दो 10 का पेयरिंग है और दो 10 का है और 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 होता है, तो ये बच जाएगा बस. 6 बचेगा स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर में. ठीक है, फाइनली विल गेट 2, इसका 2 और ये दो पेयर का 2 10. ये क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
200 root 6 centimeter square. So according to the question, there are 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. ठीक है, so 5 pieces of red color, 5 pieces of green color. So हम लोग को रेड कलर का एरिया निकालना है और ग्रीन कलर का भी एरिया निकालना है. So cloth required for each color we have already calculated, 200 root 6 centimeter square. ठीक है, now cloth required for 5 red pieces, 5 into 200 root 6, so we'll get 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Similarly, cloth required for 5 green pieces will be equals to 5 into 200 root 6, and the answer is same, 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, we'll see one more question. Question number 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So what we will do, we'll calculate the area of one triangle first. Okay, so यहाँ पे इसको A और इसको B और इसको C ले लेंगे. सो पेरीमीटर कितना हो जाएगा, 9 प्लस 28 प्लस 35, सो 72. 72 by 2, 36.
36.
Okay, now by Heron's formula, area of one triangular shaped tile is equals to root over s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now we'll substitute the value of s, a, b, c. So 36 into 27 into 8 into 1. Okay, so 36 को हम लोग 6 into 6 लिख सकते हैं, 27 को 3 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम लोग पेयरिंग जब करेंगे 2 3 और 2 2 और 2 6, सो बच गया कौन कौन सा, एक 3 और एक 2, ये रूट के अंदर में रह जाएगा. Okay, so we'll get 6 into 3 into 2 root 6, that is 36 root 6. So root 6 approximately it is equals to 2.45. So 36 into 2.45 हम लोग निकालेंगे. So we'll get 88.2 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the area of one tile, right? So how many total tiles are there?
16.
16 tiles. So area of 16 tiles will be equals to 16 into 88.2. So that we are going to get 1411.2 centimeter square nearly. So cost of polishing 1 centimeter square is given 50 paise. So 50 paise means half rupee. तो इसको हम लोग को 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा to get in terms of rupees. ठीक है, so we'll get 705.60. This is clear. Hence
Yes.
the total cost of polishing is rupees 705.60. right? So this is the last question of this exercise. Then other two questions are based on trapezium. Again, trapezium is a quadrilateral, so that question will not come in your exam. So now we'll move towards assignment questions. So these are the assignment questions, and I will share with I will share the video also. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.